If your lipstick is bleeding and you have tried everything, today's video is going to be for you because it could be something you haven't tried. This is my lipstick after 8 hours, and that is red lipstick. That is after eating nachos. That is after having pizza. Yes, that's what that looks like. And I didn't touch up my lip liner. Now, lipstick I did, but the lip liner I did not. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I keep my lip liner all damn day. Let's get into it. The first step I'm going to show you, if you have a lot of lines around your lips, use caution doing this part, okay? But I feel like it's really necessary because if you are drawing your lip liner on, this is what's going to help prevent your lipstick from bleeding. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Velour Puff and I'm going to take some powder. And this is a setting powder. Just going to press it in here. And now I'm going to go ahead and put it. And I'm going to use a little bit more. Okay. And we are going to let that sit and bake. So it's been setting for a little bit. I'm going to head brush it off. Now we're going to apply a lip liner. Not every lip liner is equal. The ones from Charlotte Tilbury, in my personal opinion, are the best because they wear the longest. The lip liners from Chanel and Dior, they glide on like a dream, but unfortunately, they just don't keep my lipstick on longer. This one does because I feel like it's a little bit more of a matte formula, but I feel like that's what you need to keep your lipstick on longer. So I'm going to go ahead and start overdrawing my lips. Now I don't overdraw my lips on the bottom, but on top I do because it's very uneven. So I start from the corner. Start from the corner and go up. Now, at this point, if you feel like it's looking a little crusty, what you can do is take a lip liner brush and just kind of smooth it out. I didn't bring mine in here, but that's all you have to do. Because we're going to put more powder on because we want this to last all damn day. So this time I'm just going to take a brush, but I could also go in with a powder puff. You decide what you want to do. Take my lip liner again. So this is like building a little wall here, if you will, to prevent your lipstick from bleeding, especially if you're wearing red lipstick, but this works for anything. Now, if you want your lipstick to wear longer, so if you're eating it, everything doesn't come off, the next thing you're going to want to do, which I'm not going to do today, but you can actually line your lips as well. I'm going to do a little bit of it, but I'm not going to completely do it. So I'm just going to do a little bit like right in here, right there. Okay. And right there. Now I'm going to take my lipstick and I'm going to apply my lipstick. I'm going to blot it. I'm going to take my lipstick again. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, by the way. Not going to blot it that time. And take this lip liner again. That's it. My lipstick, my lip liner. This lip liner will stay on all damn day. I think one of the reasons a lot of women don't like to wear red lipstick is because it can bleed, but I'm telling you, when I do it this way, it really works. Now, one more tip that I want to share with you that I didn't share. You don't want to glop on a bunch of lip gloss. If you do wear lip gloss, I would recommend using a balm, kind of like the Cocoa Flash balms or something like that. You can use it, you can use that. But even with that, you want to go easy on it. So I would say use more of a satin lipstick like I'm wearing today because I'm not wearing a gloss, would be your best bet. Because if you do wear a gloss, you can only wear a little bit. If you apply too much, it's just gonna bleed. It's going to bleed and you're gonna look crazy and you're gonna have to constantly keep touching up your lipstick. I personally don't want to keep touching up my makeup or my lip liner or anything. Okay. So I like to do whatever I can to prep my makeup really, really well so I don't have to do that. And this works. And it's so interesting looking back. I've seen videos too, and I've been doing this for a while now. But I've also seen some old videos of, back in the 30s and 40s, they used to set their lipstick with powder. So they used to do something similar. I don't know if it's quite the same, but pretty similar to what I do, just so it didn't bleed. But I don't think they were using lip liners back then. I think it was just lipstick that they were doing. They might have been putting on with a lip brush, but I don't believe they had lip liners back then. So I'm telling you, it works. If you're struggling with it, give it a try. If you are new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It's free. I would greatly appreciate it too. If you've enjoyed it, please make sure you like, share, comment on the video. Helps push them out to algorithm. Would really appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.